What was that, Wyatt?
I don't know. We heard some leaves earlier, but this sounded kind of bigger. Did you hear something, Alicia?
What was it?
It's a snake.
You think it's a snake?
Yeah.
Should we turn around and go back?
Yeah.
I don't know. I think we could toss a rock and see if something jumps out. So we're at Pilot Knob today, which is one of my favorite places in the world because it has an awesome lookout point at the top, 730 feet in the air. Yes, I Googled it before we came because I wanted to say that. It's only 1.25 miles of a trail, which isn't too bad. Besides, you got to realize you're going 730 feet in the air and 1.25 miles, so it is considered a strenuous trail, which I didn't know that either. But little man Wyatt can handle it, so I'm hoping I can too. But it's also special because this is where me and my beautiful wife, who's behind that camera right now, got engaged. So it's gonna be a good time. And we got a picnic?
Yeah.
Yep. You're excited for the picnic?
Yep. Let's go.
All right, let's go.
Let's go have a picnic.
Let's go have a picnic.
No.
Keep going.
Keep going. Slow down.
Don't get tired on me. They said this was strenuous, and so far, we've been kind of killing it. Let's be honest.
Come
I
on.
don't really know what the big deal is, but we are getting ready to go up hill, so let's go.
Let's go.
We're still good. Okay, maybe, you know, slightly tough. Oh, look, I need to tie my shoe. Oh, okay, it's good.
Hey, are you right?
Oh, we're still going? Okay, I thought you needed a break. My bad. Did I hear something over there?
Yeah.
Oh, over there, see? Right there. Behind that big tree that fell over.
Yeah.
Did you hear something?
What was that, Wyatt?
I don't know. We heard some leaves earlier, but this sounded kind of bigger. Did you hear something, Alicia?
What was it?
It's a snake.
You think it's a snake?
Yeah.
Should we turn around and go back?
Yeah.
I don't know. I think we could toss a rock and see if something jumps out. You want to find out?
I'm moving.
You want to? No, it's over here. Wyatt, over. Okay, you get that.
Dad,
Ah!
why are you? Good job, Daddy. Good job. Good job, Daddy. Good job. Okay.
He said I did a good job. Easy, son, easy. So far, all the recording has been done by that pretty lady right there, but we couldn't make a video without a cameo from Aliesha.
Are you struggling?
I might have ran up the hill to get this shot. That's the only reason why. Now I'm about to fall off the mountain. Are y'all having a good time?
Yeah. Yeah.
I gotta keep asking them questions right now, so I gotta get up here. Well, apparently they stopped as soon as I started running. Looks like Wyatt's finding some cool stuff. What'd you find, Wyatt? What'd you find? A leaf?
Yep.
Man, I don't know how you found a leaf out here.
What's that leaf? Heart. It's a heart. Who's it for?
Jonah.
A heart for Jonah.
That is so sweet of
We found a monkey.
you. There's
Now,
a monkey.
I know this is Kentucky and this is not really a jungle, it's the woods. But I'm telling you, that's a monkey. I bet that's Bigfoot, son.
I'm a monster monkey.
Oh no! Well, right here where Wyatt's trying to walk up the hill. Where once upon a time, I thought that would lead right to the top where we needed to be.
Boy, was you wrong.
This would be the day that I proposed. Alicia just had her a brand new handsome husband, her fiance, husband to be. We get halfway down to this point, realize we don't have the car keys, and I think we left them up at the top, and I'm trying to save time, and I think I can just climb up through there.
Daddy.
But nope. But no, that just leaves you in the middle of the woods somewhere, and I got up there, and before I knew it, we can keep walking and I'll talk, but that led up into the middle of nowhere, in the middle of the woods, and as I was thinking I could just walk right over to where the top of this path leads, I kind of got lost. Before I know it, I turned around and I don't know my way back out, and so I just keep following the way I think it should be, and I think my man compass took over. Alicia always rolls her eyes at that, but actually, eventually it led me where I needed to be. But it took a little while longer than I thought, and I was too scared to go back in the woods. So once I decided to come back down, I decided to take the trail, which was longer. By the time I got back down, Alicia was not where I left her, and I didn't know where, if she just went to the bottom of the hill, if she followed me up the hill. But I went down a little bit farther, turned a corner, and there was my new fiance climbing a hill, yelling my name, trying to find me, worried to death. What was you thinking?
You're dead?
Dead? You didn't think I got scared, right? Just proposed, said yes, next thing you know, your husband takes off running away in the woods.
Jump off the cliff.
That's not a good sign, I guess. But I forgot to mention that I didn't even find the keys at the top of the hill. So we ended up walking all the way back down, thinking it might be in the car. It wasn't. But then we went through the bag, and we found it rolled up in the picnic blanket. So anyways, that's the story. So apparently we've decided to let the 3-year-old lead the way. So, oh, he's 4, so it's fine. We shouldn't get lost then. He's stopped to play this percussion instrument that they've conveniently located on the path.
Let's play this game.
What game is it?
It's a thing about, I think it's a book game. It's a word game.
All right. You guys play the game. I want to see who wins.
Me.
Gotta be me.
Uh-oh, Mommy's winning. You better hurry. We'll figure out the rules later.
Ha.
My money's on Wyatt,
I
though.
win.
Uh-oh. Who won, Wyatt?
Mommy.
Yeah, she won. She won. He admitted it. He never admits I win.
Yep.
Whoa. Okay.
Now Wyatt won.
Now Wyatt won.
Give me 5.
All right.
Let's go.
Wyatt, we need to hurry this thing up because I'm going to need that turkey sandwich soon.
Yep. Come on, let's go have our picnic.
Let's go. We're getting close to the picnic.
Oh, fun. We're fun at that game.
That was a fun game.
Yeah. That's a cool game.
We'll figure out how to play it later, I guess.
Yeah. Oh, no, that game is fun.
Why? You remember when we saw that monkey?
Yeah.
That was crazy, wasn't it?
I was the monkey.
Oh, it was you?
Yeah.
Huh. It's hard to tell the difference.
So Daddy, be nice.
Be nice.
We took Wyatt to the zoo earlier this year. I'm not sure what we left with.
Mama and Papa.
We left with Mama and Papa.
Mommy was there.
Do you remember going to the zoo, Wyatt?
Yeah, I went to the zoo.
What'd you do at the zoo?
See animals.
What kind of animals?
Look at that. All that bark's falling off that tree.
Here, let me
Huh.
have that. So I can hold it. See.
So either Wyatt got tired or he's got Mommy in a chokehold. You decide.
Mixture of both.
Those shoes, though.
Yeah, it's probably making me look real bad, but I do have everything else, so.
You mean a backpack that weighs like 5 pounds?
Well, we can trade if you want. So we're getting ready to come out to the opening of the lookout. We've had one little guy get too tired to carry on his own, so Mommy is being a trooper, carrying him across the finish line. But he's gonna get to see this view for the first time.
These snakes in there.
Think there's snakes in there? I wouldn't worry about that, son.
There's what's a cave by not because there's the mean. And then I guess this cycle says and bears and lemons and
Holy bears.
Well, we're scared of polar bears now?
and then where we get they wash around. They wash around. We made it. No,
We made it to the top.
Is that the perfect spot?
You're walking all the way down. You're not hiking anymore.
Mommy, look on the river. Yeah. Yes, yeah. Hey, wait. Daddy, look at how amazing it is, Daddy.
What is it?
Dad,
What?
oh, amazing.
I know.
Yeah,
Do you like it?
Yeah, it's so pretty.
What do you see out there?
Too many stuff.
Too many stuff?
Oh, look at that one thing way over there.
Whoa, that is a thing way over there.
The tower.
No.
Do you see any trees?
Yeah. No, over there. No, that's the forest.
Oh, it's the forest. Well, I guess I was missing the forest for the trees. That's okay. Exactly. Just kidding. Teaches me something every day, don't you? So, this may not be the best view here, but it's kind of busy today. Hard to get a good spot, but it doesn't matter. This view is kind of hard to explain even with a video or a picture. Anybody who's been here knows how amazing it is to look at. Wind's always blowing. It's just a great place to reflect. Very peaceful. It's supposedly, the legend is that the first place that Daniel Boone looked into the Bluegrass region or the Red River Gorge, as some people tell it. Who knows? But man, it's easy to imagine how that could be the case. So a very special place. What's going on, Wyatt?
My waist starting to hurt.
Who would have thought the kid would be the one to get tired first?
Which one?
You.
Me?
Yeah, you. You're the only one sitting down. Look, Mommy's down there.
From the car? From the car?
He's so excited to get back to the car. Do you see how quick he jumped off of that log?
Oh.
The race is on. To the car. They've left me behind. You're gonna leave me out here with the bears. Oh man. Oh. Did I win?
No.
Oh my goodness.
I win.
Did you what did we just get done doing?
Nothing.
We didn't do nothing? You weren't out in the woods?
Yeah.
What did we do?
Walk.
Where did we walk?
Yep, we just have a big walk and
We had a picnic and we walked. Were we in the woods? Yeah, did you have fun?
Now we're gonna go get Bubby.
and take pictures.
And take pictures too?
Yeah, we take pictures.
What about you? Did you have fun? Was it that tiring? Yeah. I clocked basically 9,000 steps on the Fitbit here, and it's half of it is straight uphill. So I can see why people get so exhausted. I mean, obviously we used to come here a lot. I never thought it was that bad, but I can see why if you're not used to it. So,
It was fun though.
Yeah.
Really pretty with all the leaves.
and it was a pretty good day to go because of that. The leaves were pretty colors. I mean, it was a little busy and it was a little chilly at top, but hey, you know that wind's always blowing up there, so. All right, well, till next time.